Hello friends, I am Aarti Bansode. Thank you so much for liking my earlier videos on Spearman's row coefficient, chi-square. So now today we are going to discuss about Kendall tau, and the question which I am showing you right now is asked in our IGNOU June 2019 question paper for 7 marks, and the question is just simply they have given compute Kendall's tau for the following data, and the data given is like this, which I have written in my notebook. Now I am not going to explain any theoretical part over here. Directly I am going to show you the computation part. So formula for Kendall tau is, we denote it by the letter this tau, and the formula is NC minus ND upon NC plus ND. Now what is this NC and ND? So NC means number of concordant and ND means number of discordant. Now what is this concordant and discordant? We will solve the sum and you will come to know. Now first of all we are going to find out the rank of variable x and rank of variable y. So first we will write it down. So in finding out the rank, simply this x variable given like this 3, 1, 2, 4 and 5. So what we are going to do, rank here, there is no repetition of data. So hence tie-up is not there. So directly we can write it in a ascending order, that those will be our rank. So now how we will write? We will write this Rx. And same in a horizontal way I will write, not in a vertical columns. Same in horizontal way we will write it the ranks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So simply I am writing it in a ascending order. Now Ry we will write corresponding to 1. Like in front of 1, what was my Ry? It is 5. So we are going to write 5 over here. With corresponding to 2, what was my rank? My rank is 3. So here I will write 3. Next is with respect to 3, what is there? With respect to 3, rank is 4. So here I'll write 4. Now for 4, it is Ry is 2. So we will write 2 over here, and for 5 we will write 1. So all of you understood what I did. For x, first of all I wrote in ascending order these given numbers in the question, and with corresponding to each number I have given the rank of y. So for 1 it was 5, so I wrote 1 ke liye 5. For 2 it was 3, so I wrote here 3. So like that, corresponding to each number I have written. Now the very important part starts over here, that we have to give the concordance and discordant number. So for that, now be careful what I am doing. Just look carefully. Leave this 5. Don't touch this 5. Now this number 3, 4, 2 and 1. If it is greater than 5, if the number is greater than 5, put C. And if number is less than 5, then put D. And here I am going to add one more column, C column and D column. So we will, at the end we will count the number of C's and number of D's. Now see, just looks what I am doing, see carefully. 5 से 3 छोटा है या बड़ा है? It is smaller. So that's why we are going to write D over here. 4 is again small, so we will write D. 2 is again small, so we will write D, and 1 is again small, so we will write D. So how many C's we got? 0. And how many D's we got? 4. Next, don't touch this 5. Now don't touch this 3, but bring this 3 down. Now don't compare anything with 3. Now we will compare the next number. So next number next to 3 is what? 4. Is 4 greater than 3? Yes. So here we will write C. Is 3 greater than 2? Yes. But यहाँ पे we will write D because 2 is smaller. Now 1. 1 is smaller than 3. So what we will write, C or D? It will be D. Only for greater than 3 we are going to write C. We are not at all, friends, we are not at all seeing Rx. We are not at all focusing on Rx. We are only seeing this Ry. So don't bother about this Rx. Only focus on Ry. And Ry का एक एक नंबर हम लोग नीचे ला रहे हैं. First we compared with 5. Now I took 3 down and the next number were 4, 2 and 1. For those I gave concordance and discordant accordingly. Now don't touch this 3. Now bring this 4 down. अभी 4 के लिए first see this 2. 2 greater है या smaller है? It is smaller. So it will be D. 1 smaller है या greater है? It is smaller. So again it is D. So how many C's are there? Here in this case C was 1, D was 2. In this case no C, 2D. And the last one is bring this 2 down. This 2. 2 के लिए only one number is there. So one number smaller है क्या greater है? Smaller है. So इसके लिए we'll put over here D. So यहाँ पे again 0 C and D is 1. So let us calculate total number of C's. If you see here NC, total number of C's are 1. All calculated. I mean all the C's we have to add. So only 1 C. And what about D? ND? Addition of all this. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So now our formula is NC minus ND upon NC plus ND. So Kindle stove is equal to NC means 1 minus ND means 9 upon 1 plus 9. So 1 minus 9 upon 1 plus 9. So which is equal to minus 8 upon 10, which is equal to minus 0.8. Now we got the value of Kendall tau as minus 0.8. So last May we have to, now here they have given in the question compute Kendall's tau. So that's why we have just computed. But if they ask us to find out the final result, then result will be if it is closer to 1, then it is a highly positive correlation. If it is near to 0, nearby to 0, then it is highly low positive correlation. And if it is like in between, like 0.5 के आसपास है, then it is a moderate correlation. But here we have got negative sign also. So hence, and it is close to what? 0, it is close to 1 because 0.8 hai, which is close to 1. So here it will be high negative correlation. So I hope you understood, as this is close to 0.8, which is close to 1 and it is negative. So we'll write there is high negative correlation. I hope you like this video and you understood the Kendall tau, which is for 7 marks in our IGNOU June 2019 question paper. Thank you so much.